Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.